All right, guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be flying around the house a little bit. Just going through a few packs. Lately, I've been on like the 5-pack a day kind of vibe. I haven't like posted a video in a while, I feel, just flying around the house. So I figured let's go for a little fly around the house. It's been a few weeks maybe since the last time I did something like this. So here we are. Of course, we're gonna be rocking the Quadmula F5 right here. This is the build on the channel if you guys are new. This is the custom build. I'm rocking the O3 Air Unit, GoPro 11 Mini, 2207 2080 kVt motors. The full build is in the link in the description. So if you guys are wondering like what exactly is on this build, the flight controller, all that good stuff, check the link in the description. That will give you the answer. And then I've been running the S4 props. These are the Ethix props. Really good props. I'm liking them so far. I did go ahead and get a new pack of ND filters, so we'll see how long honestly those will last. But I want to say we have like 4 or 5 batteries. We're just gonna go ahead and rip all of them and have a good time. I've been practicing some new tricks, just trying to hone in the skills of FPV. I have a long way to go, but 1% a day, you know, that's what I'm going for. So let's get this bad boy in the air. All right, we're rocking a 1100 CNHL battery. Nothing too wild, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy in the air. Holy cow, did you guys see how close that was? Wow. I'm literally just... This is insane. This battery is done just like that. Don't last that long. Let's put this in the air. We are rocking a Tattoo 2500 or 1500. I'm sorry, guys. Very beautiful out here. But like I said earlier, I've just been trying to fly like around five packs a day. That was cutting it really close. But yeah, trying to fly like 5 packs a day. Just trying to get better at the end of the day. I'm trying to like get better with my routes. I'm just like planning them a little better. But these batteries do not last long with the way I'm flying right here. Like maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes. But we are running 2080 kV motors, so it is a little more pep than most builds. Ooh, I don't know how the hell did you say that? Oh fuck, that shit was crazy. Let me see if the camera is still... Nope. Let me fix the camera. Then we'll put it back in the air. That was quite insane. I'm surprised, like, usually I would have probably disarmed right there. But I said, you know what? Let's hold it. Let's fight through the pain. So we got a little bit of battery on this one, not much. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying this build, guys. This build is feeling amazing. Got a little battery left, not much. I really need to move that freaking thing out there, the umbrella right there. Ooh, we almost hit that grass right there, or that tree. Alright, we'll do one more power loop and then we'll bring in the change packs. I couldn't power loop right there. Let's see. A little fast, but it worked. Get in there, guys, get in there. Got a long way to go, but it's coming, guys. Just trust the process. Ooh, that was rough. Take on off here. Oh, I scoop a little too low right there, as you guys saw. Decent save right there. It's probably the rates, like, I did change my rates recently to fucking 1,000, and it's sending it to 1,000. So this is kind of what I'm getting used to, is the rates. And then just the power of this freaking quad. It's honestly insane. I don't even know what that move was called, but that was pretty sick. Oh, I thought we lost it, boys. That was sick. I've never done that. What a save. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and land. Wow, that was freaking sick. Alright, you guys, we just crushed literally all those packs. That was quite interesting. I swear, like, it takes me a couple packs to get adjusted, to just get warmed up, if you will. And then once I'm kind of warmed up, I can fly a little better than those first couple packs, because those first packs were a little rough. I kept crashing. As of late, I've been crashing a lot, guys. Just really pushing the drone, really pushing myself, pushing my limits, and I'm gonna crash. I actually went ahead and ordered a bunch of spare parts for this one, so hopefully those will be here soon. Knock on wood, I mean, everything is intact. As you guys just saw, it was fine. But I ordered a bunch of arms, just a bunch of spare stuff, because it's gonna happen. This frame, I'm really digging it. Really digging this frame, this setup right here. I might probably go ahead and build another one of these, and then I'm gonna change the motor KV down a little bit to maybe like 1950. That should give me a little more efficiency, but I will lose, you know, that top end power. But this thing is a beast. I'm really liking it. Comment down below, what do you guys recommend for the GoPro? Because like it keeps going like this. Like it'll I can't do it one-handed. It'll go like that, like whenever I crash or bounce off the ground or something. So I need a better solution to mount this, because I have this bolt pretty tightened too, and it's still doing that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what would you guys recommend? We got the guys here coming to cut the grass, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack up shop here before it gets too loud. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna be making a lot more of these type of videos, you know, flying around the house, because I can just, you know, walk right outside in this right here. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.